Hello there. Today is Thursday, April 16th. Today we are going to be talking about adjectives. Now, we have talked about adjectives before in class, but I wanted to revisit that so we can get some practice and really work on making our writing have more meaning, make it sound more interesting. Because if you remember, an adjective is a describing word. So if I were to say the sentence, I have a balloon, okay? I could add an adjective to that and say, I have a green balloon. The word green is an adjective. It adds a describing word to a noun. The noun in that sentence would be a balloon. So let's look at this example of page 5 of your writing work packet. It says, the blue balloon floated up in the air. Okay, you can see that balloon is your noun. Balloon is a thing. Okay, they ask you to circle each adjective in the sentence. In this case, they circled the word blue because the word blue describes what that balloon looks like. A blue balloon. Okay, so the directions say to circle the adjective in each sentence, then draw an arrow from each adjective to the word that it describes. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Number 1 says, 3 turtles swam in the pond. Okay, so we have to think, what is this sentence about? What's the noun in this sentence? The noun in this sentence is turtles. Okay, but what word describes turtles? How many were there? There were 3. So this 3 is the adjective. That 3 describes the turtles. So instead of just, if we take that 3 away, let's just take it away for a second. We could still say turtles swam in the pond. And if you close your eyes and say that, so close your eyes, turtles swam in the pond. You could see turtles swimming in a pond if you use your imagination. But what if you go back and open your eyes and you added the word 3 turtles swam in the pond? Okay, close your eyes. 3 turtles swam in the pond. Now I can literally see 3 turtles swimming in a pond. Okay, so an adjective describes a noun. Let's go ahead and do number 2. It says, Molly and Jenny tried to finish a difficult puzzle. There's actually lots of nouns in this. Sentence. We have Molly and Jenny. Those are people. Okay, we also have puzzle. That's a thing. There really aren't any adjectives by Molly and Jenny, so let's focus on the word puzzle. Okay, what's the word before puzzle? Difficult. Okay, now let's imagine this sentence without that word difficult. Okay, it's not there. Molly and Jenny tried to finish a puzzle. Okay, so if you closed your eyes and I read this sentence to you, so go ahead and close your eyes. Molly and Jenny tried to finish a puzzle. Okay, you could envision that. You could envision Molly and Jenny, whoever they are, trying to finish this puzzle. But now I want you to close your eyes again. Molly and Jenny tried to finish a difficult puzzle. Does that change your vision of what that puzzle looks like? Maybe it went from a puzzle of like 12 pieces to a puzzle of 1,000,000 pieces. Oh my gosh, it's such a difficult puzzle. So that's what the adjective is. Difficult. Difficult describes puzzle. So you're going to go through and finish numbers 3 through 11 and circle the adjective and draw an arrow to the noun that it describes. And oh my goodness, that was page 6, by the way. Sorry, that was page 6. Let's jump back to page 5. Sorry about that. This is page 5 of your writing work packet. I am so sorry about that. So for this, we're going to talk about adjective opposites. Oh my goodness. So let's look at the example. It says the radio was very loud. Okay, so in this case, we're talking about a radio. And what describes it is it's very loud. Okay, so what the directions are asking us to do is to underline the adjective, which we decided was loud, and then we're going to write the opposite on the line next to it. So what's the opposite of loud? They wrote soft. Okay, so let's look at number 1. The children were all happy. What's the adjective? What's the describing word? It would be happy. Children were all happy. What's the opposite of being happy? Oh, being sad.
Mom.
Okay,
Mom.
so you're going to go ahead and finish numbers 2 through 15, underline the adjective, and then write the opposite on the line. Thanks. If you have any questions, let me know.